Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and in this video I will show you how to make simple animation about vacation. So first one, select this background layer and look here, and let's create a new camera tool. Click OK and click OK again, and let's go to text and enable title action save and hide all these layers, and let's write here text vacation. Clickation tool, and let's move the center like this, and let's double click for edit text and select all this text. Go to change font style. Let's use Nexa and change here heavy. Okay, let's clickation tool and change font size, and let's put here, and go to window, open animation composite 3. If you have not animation composite 3, I will add link in the description below, you can use, and open starter preset and text layer, animate character, and let's use overshot animations. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so I will use overshot scale and select this text layer. Let's click in and close window, and let's see, let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. And select text layer, let's go to here and go to color. Let's change color like this, click OK. So select this text layer, move to behind of camera, and select all these layers with text, and click this icon for select the layer, and select this world. Let's enable and move to center. Okay, and select camera layer. Let's add null object for control movements. Right mouse, camera, and create orbit null. And for move the anchor point center, hold Ctrl, double click pen behind icon. Clickation tool and select camera orbit null, and let's see. After text animation, press P, make new path in keyframe, and go to 3 seconds and move to back like this. Okay, so select this world compensation, press P, and let's move to front. Okay, and let's see. Nice. Select keyframes, make easy or click F9. Go to graph editor and select this graph. Let's make smooth animation. Let's preview. Okay, back to keyframes and select this world. Let's press P and move to back a little bit. Move to back more. Okay, so select this world. Let's press S and change scale. Let's try again. Nice. And open compensation. Select this circle. Ctrl D for duplicate. Select map. Move the inside two circle layers. Click toggle switch mode and change none to alpha matte circle 2. And go to first second. Select this map and press P. Let's move to left and make new path in keyframe. Go to here and change like this. Select keyframes, make easies. Select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, go to first second, select keyframe. Let's move to right a little bit. And back to elements. Let's see here. And move to right this compensation. Okay, that's good. And select this world compensation. Let's put to center. And right now select these layers. Let's click this icon for turn off 3D layer, enable layers. Okay, select this first back. Let's move to here and press S, change scale. Okay, and select this world. Let's lock compensation. Select business back. Let's move to here. Press S, change scale, and this let's change scale a little bit. Okay, and font, let's move to center, or let's keep here And this, let's move to here, press S, change scale and bank card, and move to here, press S and change scale. Okay, so in this time select these layers. Let's close scale, go to again window, animation composite 3, open starter preset, and to the layers select these overshot scale. Okay, don't forget to select all these layers and click in. Okay, and back to browse. Let's open here to the layer and to the layers, and let's search here rotate. Okay, and let's click apply and change this 10. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's close window and move to right these icons. Let's see timing. Okay, and let's move to left, select work area. Okay, this is very fast scale animation. Let's move to right, these marks. Okay, and select this mobile. Let's go to again window. I was forget add animations for mobile. Again, open starter presets, to the layer, select overshot and use in. Back to browse, open to the layer and rotate, click apply, change intensity 10 and move to right. So for random animation, select these icons. Let's move to right like this. Okay, let's preview. Nice. And select these manual. Let's move to here and this put here and press S, change mobile scale, and this change scale. Okay, and select these icons, move to left, and let's preview animation. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.